Yep.
Dude, I just watched your last video and at the 31st second there was an effect where everything turned from day to night. I don't know how you did that, but that was awesome, bro.
You mean that effect? Whoa.
How did you do that?
Easy. What's up guys, it's been a while since I talked in front of my camera, like almost 2 months, but yes, anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to do that day to night effect. This is an effect where everything turned from day to night, as you saw in the intro. So yes, let's jump into Premiere Pro. To do that effect, we will use this clip of me skating down the street in slow-mo that I used in my last video. So first, duplicate the clip. To do that, press Alt and drag it somewhere else. We will need it later. Then look for the effect called color key and apply it to your clip. For the moment, nothing happened. That's pretty much normal. So let's select a color. So in this case, the sky is pretty white, so just simply select white. Then you will add some tolerance until the sky totally disappears. You can also adjust the edge thin and the edge feather. I think it's pretty good like that. But the problem right now is, as you see, the house at the right of the image has disappeared too. So to do that, we will duplicate our second clip and we will put it on the top of our first one. Then we will create an opacity mask over the house. And as you can see, the house is back. So now it's time to add stars. Drag your two clips up and select a picture of stars. In my case, I will use that picture that my brother took a few months ago. But then we wanna add a little rotation in the sky to make the clip look better. Add a first key at 0 degrees at the beginning, and then another key at, for example, 90 degrees at the end. Then adjust the size of your background. Here you can see our sky moving in the shot. Now it's time to color grade the shot. You can first start with the stars. Here I remove the saturation from all the color except the blue in the sky. Then I play a bit with the light to make it look better. You can then put an adjustment layer on top of your clips, decrease a bit the temperature and play with the contrast and the saturation to get a result that you like. You can keep the blue and the orange to keep the skin tones in the sky and desaturate all the other colors. In this step, it's pretty much up to you to do whatever you want to make your shot looks better. Play with all the curves and everything to get a nice color grading. You can now put the clip you duplicated before on top of all your clips to make the sky appear and disappear by playing with the opacity curve. So yes, once you're happy with your color grading, you can also add some sound effects and some other video effects to make your clip looks better. But yes, that's not the purpose of this video. So here is the final clip with some music. So yes, there you have it, the day to night effect. That's not the only way to do it, but that is the way I do it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, to subscribe and to share the video. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one.